This customer has a couple rooms in their house where the lights aren't working. So I'm convinced that there's gonna be an issue at the panel box. Maybe a breaker's off or something. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna touch each breaker and just make sure that it doesn't like flick off. Okay, see how that one just kind of flicked off? And all the other ones are staying on when I touch them. So there's gonna be something wrong with this one. So I'm gonna take off the cover and I'm gonna test all the breakers now. So I removed the cover, and this rose bush is really gonna be a pain in the butt. And now I'm gonna just test all the breakers. I'm putting my tester on the bus bar, and I'm gonna test all these breakers. This is the one that flicked off. I'm gonna turn it back on. I'm getting basically 120 to each one, and that one is dead like I thought. So even though it's on, it's still showing no power. So I'm convinced this is gonna be my bad breaker for those lights. And it's also a 15, so that's also showing that it's a lighting circuit. Yeah, all the other breakers are good. So even though I don't have power here, I'm still gonna make sure the breaker's completely off. And then I'm gonna pull it out. The wire just kind of popped right out. And then I'm gonna take my new breaker and install it onto the wire. Just like that, and then I'll snap the breaker back in. Making sure the breaker's off first, and then I hook the right side in and then just push the left and it snaps in like that. And now I can turn the breaker back on. We should have power inside. I'm double checking the new breaker and it's showing 118, so I know we're gonna be good. I'll put the cover back on and make sure the lights work. I reinstalled the cover, I went inside and the lights are working. And that's your end result.